In a world.
Hey, make sure your phone's turned off. I think we're getting some feedback out here.
Oh. Sorry.
Ready.
Hi, this is Mr. Boyle from the high school. I teach social studies. My courses are Constitution class, which is basically government, geography, psychology, and social problems. Hope to see you in some of those classes.
Have you ever seen anything like that before? I didn't know men could build such things.
I'm Mr. Dunmick, and I teach a variety of classes here at Cudahy High School in the Social Studies Department. I teach World History, which covers about 300,000 years of history, American Free Enterprise, which teaches you about our economic system, AP Microeconomics and Macroeconomics, which teaches you a lot more about our economic system, Minority Studies, which studies the U.S. history from the perspective of minority groups who usually get left out of general U.S. history classes, and Recent U.S. History, which covers the Cold War to present day.
You must choose, but choose wisely.
Hi everyone, I want to highlight 3 courses that you can take from the Social Studies Department. You can take the required course of U.S. History as sophomores. It's a year-long course. You can take AP Gov as a junior in place of Constitution and the Americas. Or as an elective, if you're really interested in European history, you can take AP Euro.
Mr. Cohen, and I'm a social studies teacher at Cudahy High School. The subject that I primarily teach is advanced placement U.S. history, which is called AP U.S. history, or as a nickname, APUSH. I hope that I have the opportunity to teach you when you guys get to high school. And if you do well your freshman year, you might be recommended to take APUSH as a sophomore. I also teach an elective called Women's Studies, which is a women's history course. And I teach and coach here. I'm a coach in track and field and cross country. Hope to see you guys soon. Take care and be well.
As a soldier and as an Avenger, I've seen some pretty exciting things. But you know what's really exciting? Reading.
Hello, incoming freshmen. Do you want to learn more about the history of sports in American society? Do you want to learn about the history of football, baseball, basketball, odds and ends, political impact, women's impact in sports? Then you need to check out sports history when you can. It's a 1-semester elective course, a lot to cover. It'll be a lot of fun. Hope to see you there.
Don't shut it off. I'm warning you.
I've never seen anything like this before. I don't know.
Hi everyone, this is Ms. Petsky. I teach AP Psychology and Social Problems at Cudahy High School. AP Psychology is an advanced placement course about psychology, so we really dive into psychology to prepare you for the AP exam. Social Problems is a course about different various social problems across the globe, so we talk about things like gun control, death penalty. Again, that's an upper level class, so once you get to be a junior or senior, you can take both AP Psychology and Social Problems. So I hope to see you then. Thanks.
And that's all, folks.